Tired of complicated trading strategies that just don't work? Today you will learn a 1-minute scalping system that is powerfully simple. We will build it from scratch using 3 free indicators on TradingView. Remember to always backtest any new strategy before using it. Let's begin. First, make sure you are on a 1-minute time frame. We need 3 indicators. Indicator 1, the Renko chart. Search for Renko chart and add it to your chart. Go to its settings. In the Inputs tab, change the trend EMA length from 34 to 22. Click OK. Indicator 2, the Fibonacci bands. Search for Fibonacci bands Big Beluga. In the settings, go to the Style tab. We only need 2 lines. Uncheck everything except Fib top 3 and Fib bottom 3. This cleans up our chart. Finally, search for Volume-Supported Linear Regression Trend. No changes are needed for this one. Our chart is now ready. The setup is complete. The rules are very specific. Follow them exactly. For a buy trade, the signal. The Renko chart must print a green long signal, the confirmation. The volume trend indicator at the bottom must be above the 0 line. The entry. If both conditions are met, enter the trade at the close of the bullish candle. Your stop loss will be the Fib bottom 3 line. Your take profit target is a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. For a sell trade, we do the exact opposite. The signal. The Renko chart must print a red short signal. The confirmation. The volume trend indicator must be below the 0 line. The entry. Enter at the close of the bearish candle. Your stop loss will be the Fib top 3 line. Your take profit target is also 1-to-2 risk-to-reward. This strategy combines trend, confirmation, and risk management into one simple system. Important disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. All trading involves high risk, and past results do not guarantee future performance. Always do your own research. If you found this strategy helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content. Question for you: what indicator should we test next? Leave your suggestion in the comments below. Trade smart, and thank you for watching.